Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. To learn English efficiently or fluently, yeah, I needed to practice continually like that. And but
Yeah.
I'm not sure when I can success learning English,
Yeah.
about what
Okay.
level, what sequence can I reach success? Oh, I'm not sure, but maybe I think when I don't feel comfortable, when I don't feel uncomfortable whenever speak with foreign friends by English, I think, oh, I'm successful for that. I can say maybe. It's really hard to make sentence. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next
Okay. No.
Yeah.
Just I think it's mean. Yeah. I think success is mean to you achieving your goals. Like you need to learn English to be fluent in your speaking with others.
Only say answer me. Where are you, Okta? Number 4. Where are you?
Me?
Yeah.
When you achieve your goals, yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. I agree with that statement about success is when you achieve your goals. But I have another opinion about it. Well, I'm sorry, what is that, Ocean?
Ocean's sound is or something. Maybe connection is not good.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try to answer your question, Osin. In my opinion, success is about we enjoy every single moment, every single day in my life, in our life. Yeah, it's like you feel that you're blessed. You feel blessing from God, something. Yeah, anything coming in life is like about sadness or happy or anything. We just feel like, yeah, this is what this is mine, and I have to feel blessed and I have to enjoy every single moment in my life. Yeah, I think is it the success because sometimes I know that
Okta, are you crying now?
no. I just thinking about what would I say.
Calm down.
I'm calm down. I'm so calm down, by the way.
Surely.
Yeah.
I think that's
I think it's like that because sometimes we just comparing ourselves with another people, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I'm really impressed for Okta's answer. I'm fan of
Thank you.
her. Yeah.
Thank you.
I also concentrate on my day and present. I think it's the way to be success, and it also connect with happiness. I think so. Success with happiness. Okta's way is the best way, I think.
Because I think we have the own answer of the what the means of the successes.
Yeah. Also, maybe you have a religion, your religion, maybe.
Yeah.